Hello everybody, hello Yogis. Good afternoon from paradise. This is a longer meditation by using this beautiful music in the background. The music is the ocean. The ocean, I think for me, when I meditate, what I enjoy the most is to listen to the ocean or to be in front of an ocean. So just close your eyes and imagine to be here on a beach, sitting down comfortably, looking at the ocean. Just sit with me, look at the waves, listen to the ocean, and when you're ready, just close your eyes. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Try to think about your breath. So inhale deeply, exhale. And if some thoughts arrive, it's normal. Just observe them, look at them, and let them go. It can be, oh, I have to go to the supermarket later. Oh, I have to see my sister. Oh, whatever it is, it's normal. The thoughts come and arrive. This is what meditation is about. It's about observing our thoughts and seeing that it's really tough just to concentrate on our breathing. But it's good. It's a good exercise to be here and now. As I often say, can help inhaling and counting until 4. So inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. This helps concentrating on the inhalation and exhalation. If you don't allow counting until 4, you can also inhale 1, exhale 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Inhale 3, exhale 3. Inhale 4, exhale 4. Inhale 5, exhale 5. This also helps and you can go on until 10 and then come back to 1. Just to try to be here for at least 3-4 minutes. If you don't like counting, you can just listen to the sound of the ocean. Try to be here, come back here with your thoughts, come be here with your mind. And very slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. Put your hands at your heart, Namaste. Inhale deeply with me. Exhale. Think about an intention for today, for the rest of the day. Something that you want to achieve in your life. And keep it in your heart throughout this day. I wish you a wonderful day. From my heart to yours.